Hi guys, today we are at Alila Wuzhen to celebrate the New Year holidays. Alila is a luxury resort brand under the Hyatt Group. There are tons of videos about this place online, so I decided to come check it out for myself. Even though it is called Alila Wuzhen, it is actually not inside the Wuzhen scenic area. It is right next to it though. You can easily catch a cab to the scenic spots. It is not far at all. We drove here ourselves this time, which is definitely more convenient. The hotel is designed like a cluster of buildings with lots of outdoor spaces, but it is freezing today. Check-in is done, and the staff is showing us to our room. This is the public lounge area right in front of our room. If it were warmer, chilling in these outdoor spaces would be pretty nice. After entering the gate, there is a front courtyard. Let us head inside and check out the room. We're staying in the garden view room this time. Here is the king-size bed. The design is minimalist with warm wood tones. The vanity area is tucked behind the television wall, the walk. And closet is also over here. The bathtub is set right next to the courtyard, which is a nice touch. The tub is pretty big and made of acrylic, but I can tell what brand it is. The bathroom area has these sliding grate doors. I really like this design, but the door seems a bit broken. The entrance to the vanity area has the same design. Let us take a look at the bathroom. Basic shower setup, plus a rain shower head up top. These are Alila custom toiletries. It has a bidet seat, but my favorite part is the heated floors in the shower and bathroom. Let us check the amenities. This lifts up into a mirror with basic amenities and a hairdryer inside. The hidden design keeps things looking tidy, but the finish and maintenance are lacking a bit. The remote is super dirty. Yuck. The custom soap doesn't have much of a scent, but the ingredients feel good on the skin. This is the basic room type, so that is roughly the layout. Overall, the design is cozy, but the details need work. The floor heating makes up for it, though. Let's check the mini bar. This pulls out, making it easy to boil water. Standard glassware setup. The fridge is stocked with drinks, but you have to pay for them. Basic tea bags, coffee capsules, and so on. The courtyard design feels very relaxing, but it is just too cold outside. It would probably be amazing in the autumn. The shape of the tree and the shadows it casts create a real Oriental Zen vibe. So cold. Turning the heater on immediately. The welcome gift is 2 big apples and some snacks. This is the map they gave us at check-in with notes marked by the staff. Instead of a card, they use a key with a wooden room number tag. Cute. It comes with a complimentary Chinese afternoon tea, so let us go check it out. It is served at the hotel bar called Sandby Bar. The public areas all feature this pitched roof and skylight design. The lighting is great for photos, but the maintenance is off. The glass is a bit dirty. It is a bit chilly inside too. I have to complain about the maintenance again. Look at these stains on the sofa. The staff uniforms look cool, but they aren't tea clean either, which really surprised me. Let's go see the famous Instagram spot outside. This place is super popular for photos. There are lots of photography teams shooting clients here. The bar has another separate space. This area is good for larger gatherings. There is even a pool table. They seem understaffed. Used coffee cups haven't been cleared away. The afternoon tea is Chinese dim sum, paired with tea or coffee. The pastries are traditional style, but they a bit hard because of the cold weather. Sandby Bar also has a happy hour. The menu isn't tea extensive, and it is 198 RMB per person. For dinner, we're heading to Tongxiang to eat at Tongxiang Mutton Noodle Shop. This spot is open 24/7. It is pretty packed inside. Looking at the menu, it is about 30 to 40 RMB per person. To order, you go to the big stove and tell the staff which cut of meat you want. If you want organs and the portion size, here is my noodles, 37 RMB. I got organ meat and lamb leg with thin noodles and red broth. After a warm bowl of mutton noodles in this freezing weather, we're back at the hotel. The holiday decorations and lights look really pretty. It has been so cold lately. I just want to curl up in the warm room. We skipped the Wuzhen scenic area this time. We go back when it is warmer in the spring. Walking past the lobby at night, you can really feel the festive vibe. I am off to sleep. Good night. Slept pretty well last night. Up early now. Let us go grab some breakfast. People are already taking photos this early. The architecture and landscape are definitely the selling points here. Actually, I got lost this morning, walked in circles before finding the restaurant. Hopefully it is not too crowded right now. The restaurant has the same high-pitched roof design as the other areas. It uses warm colors, which is making me hungry. The waiter gave me a prime window seat. I can see the wetlands and a flock of white egrets on the island. Breakfast includes an a la carte menu and a buffet. Let's go get some food. This is the Chinese breakfast station. Tofu pudding with gravy, pumpkin and millet porridge. White fungus soup, fried rice, stir, fried celery with lily bulb, fried fish fillets, minced meat stewed tofu, stir, fried cowpeas with pork, salt head mushrooms, broccoli scrambled eggs with onions, and stewed goose with radish. There are also some local Wuzhen steamed treats. There are other dishes on the other side. Here is the Western food section. Bacon, sausages, and so on. Roasted pumpkin and mushrooms. And freshly made beef patties. You can also order waffles. And Wuzhen shumai. There is outdoor seating for breakfast too, but it is too cold for anyone to sit there. Here are the pre-mixed salads. Some fruit. And yogurt. cold cereal smoked salmon, cheese and cold cut platter, and a DIY salad bar. This is the bakery section. Granola station, Chinese fried dough sticks, yutao, milk. 4 kinds of fresh juice. The natural light in the restaurant is lovely. But this seat doesn't have the wetland view. Breakfast is done. Let's wander around a bit. The hotel offers Thai activities if you have the time. The indoor pool is heated to a constant 28 degrees. There is also a hot tub. There is an outdoor pool too that looks like it connects to the lake, but it is closed in winter. Swimming here in summer while watching the egrets in the lake must be amazing. I wonder if the hotel raises those egrets? Why do they stay in the middle of the lake like that? If anyone knows, please let me know in the comments. Let's check out the gym. It is well equipped but small. You can look at the scenery while working out though. The design of the public areas between rooms is so similar. I got lost again. I really should have brought the map. Feels like I am almost there. The sun is out, but the wind is cutting right through me. I'd rather just enjoy a nice bath while looking at the sunlit courtyard. Here is a breakdown of the costs for our Alila Wuzhen trip. That wraps up our Alila experience. Next stop, Yandeng Mountain in Wenzhou. Stay tuned. See you next time.